Hey there, fellow social media navigators. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down tech tips to make your online life easier. Today, we're tackling a topic that's equal parts useful and controversial: how to unfriend all your Facebook friends at once in 2025. Whether you're decluttering your feed, starting fresh, or just curious, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. But remember, Facebook's policies can change, so always double-check before you dive in. First off, let's get real. Facebook doesn't have a single "unfriend all" button built in, mainly because it's designed to keep you connected. However, with the updates in 2025, there are smarter ways to manage your friends list efficiently. Start by logging into your Facebook account on a desktop browser. Mobile apps might not support these advanced features as well. Step 1. Head to your Friends tab. You can find this by clicking on your profile picture and selecting Friends from the menu. Once there, look for the Manage or Edit options. In 2025, Facebook has introduced a bulk management tool under Settings. Click on that to access a new interface for selecting multiple friends. Step 2. Use the search and filter functions to select all friends at once. Type in a broad search like "all friends" and hit the "Select All" button if it's available. If not, you might need a browser extension like Facebook Friend Remover. Make sure it's from a trusted source to avoid any security risks. Step 3. Once selected, confirm the action. You'll be prompted to review your choices because, let's face it, unfriending everyone is a big move. Hit Unfriend and wait for the process to complete. This could take a few minutes depending on your friend count. Now, a word of caution. Unfriending en masse might flag your account or lead to lost connections forever. Always consider the implications. Maybe start with a smaller group to test the waters. And if you're doing this for privacy reasons, explore Facebook's other tools like muting or blocking instead. There you have it. By following these steps, you can streamline your friends list in no time. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech hacks, and drop a comment below with your thoughts. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.